Hello and welcome to another nature vlog, straight from the middle of fucking nowhere. So I know the sound is probably really bad, but I don't really care. It doesn't really matter. Because what I wanted to show you is, has anyone seen or read Stephen King's It? I'm pretty sure a lot of you have. And I'm walking my dog here. And honestly, the way it looks around here, the nature, the whole area, it looks exactly like like how I picture the nature and the environment of Derry in the book or the movie. And yeah. Also the weather is not too good. Also we had like really, really beautiful spring weather here, but by now it's more like I'm feeling a thunderstorm coming. Oh yeah. That's basically what I wanted to show you. It's like one of my favorite places ever, but right now it looks more kind of creepy. I mean, seriously, I wouldn't be too surprised if a little creepy clown would jump out of behind a bush or whatever right now. I mean, I know there are no clowns here, but still, yeah. But it doesn't matter, I have a bodyguard. Yesterday I was here too, and I thought, this is perfect, it was so beautiful. The sun was out, and I don't know, it just looked so pretty and like spring with all the green and stuff. And I thought, tomorrow I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna make a video out in the green. And then today it started raining, and it's not as pretty as it was yesterday, but I think you get the whole green point or something. So this is exactly the spot where I thought I could make a video. I actually even thought about making a German video here, because it would be something different, you know, to the usual I sit in my room and talk about work. But now that I'm here, I think it wouldn't have been that great of an idea, because there's a freaking waterfall, and I totally didn't think about the waterfall and how loud it is, and yeah. I just have to go on that bridge. And then I can show you. And next to the bridge is a lovely tree that I think has had a little accident. Maybe with a lightning, maybe just with a storm or something, but it doesn't look too good. Check it out. Yeah. Okay. Bridge. Oh god, I'm gonna die! Okay, that's the waterfall, and it's freaking loud. And you probably can see it, but there are like ducks and stuff on that lake. Yeah. Pretty. And mountains. Yay. And another lovely piece of art created by Mother Nature herself. Yeah. By the way, this is the same exact location where I shot the Appreciate Nature video just a few months later. And not white. There are people. People. It just would have been such a good idea to take a different camera than my cell phone. But yeah, what can you do? Sorry. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it nevertheless. Bye bye. And off.